Once again, we are back with the sample paper. And yesterday I was discussing with you people the question of text file. I would like to repeat the same question again. The question was, write a function mcount in Python which should read each character of the text file story.txt, should count and display the occurrence of alphabets A and M. Now here I would like to tell you students that when you are to check the occurrence of words or character, do check whether the examiner has written and or. If or has been mentioned, you are to pick up only one variable, initialize it with 0 and increment it as and when you get the matching character or the word. But when and is mentioned, you have to check the occurrence of both the elements, and you have to take separate variable for first element, separate variable for the second element. Initialize both the elements with 0, right? And increment it as and when you get the desired matching elements. Am I clear up till here? All right. So let us discuss the program. Is the program visible? Is the Python programming window visible to everybody? Okay. So what we have done in this program, we have defined a function count m where I have initialized x as 0 and y as 0, and I have opened the file in the reading mode. The file name is story1.txt. The file is stored in E drive. Now, read function I have used in order to read the data character by character. Why character by character? Because I am to find the occurrence of alphabet A and M. The occurrence of characters has to be located out. So that is why I use the read function, but make one thing very sure. I am not taking split function over here. Split divides the string into words, and I have nothing to do with the words. I have to count the alphabet. So no need to use the split function over here. Now reading the data and assigning the data to a string named W. Now start checking each and every character of W. W is the entire string. I is the first character of the string. W is the complete string. I is the individual character of the complete string. So let us have the condition over here. If I equal to A, small a, or I equal to capital A, because the examiner has asked you, both the cases are to be required, whether lower, whether upper. So we are to make our condition accordingly. If I equal to small a, or I equal to capital A, so you increment the x. Else if I equal to small m, or I equal to capital M, then accordingly increment y variable. Finally, print the occurrence of A via x, print the occurrence of B via y, right? So let us see the output. Occurrence of A is 4, occurrence of M is 5, I would like to show you the string also so that you can count the letters. Is this notepad window visible? Students, is the notepad window visible? Let us start reading the content. A, 1, 2, 3, 4. So occurrence of A is 4. Now M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Occurrence of M is 5. I hope I am totally clear with the concept. All right, let us move further. Now, write the output of the SQL queries. Answer 1 to 3rd based on the relations teacher and posting given below. Beta, the meaning of relation here is table. Table and relation, they are interchangeable words, right? So the table teacher has been given and you have the table posting. So let us find the outputs, okay? I open the notepad window over here in the side so that side by side we can solve the output also. All right. Are both the windows visible? Notepad and Python programming paper, both the windows are visible to all? All right. So let us start. Select department, comma, count star from teacher, group by department. Select department, comma, count star from teacher, group by department. Beta, group by command displays the output as a group. And whenever you are using the group by command, aggregate function is included. The count star means total occurrence. The count star function means the total occurrence. So we are to find the occurrence of each department, that this particular department occurs how many times. So let us go in the teacher table and these are our departments. These are our departments: computer science, history, mathematics, history, mathematics, history, this. So let us derive the output. First we have computer science, name of department, then occurrence. How many times this department is occurring? 1, 2. So answer is 2. Next department, history. And the occurrence of history is 1, 2, 3. Then next is mathematics. 1, 2, 3. Clear? This is the answer. Am I clear with the output? Students, be fast in giving the response. I don't know what you keep thinking. Next statement. Select maximum date of joining and minimum date of joining from the teacher. Select maximum date of joining and minimum date of joining from teacher. So this is the date of joining. We are to find the maximum date of joining. Beta, for maximum date of joining, keep in mind the highest year. So highest year is 2017, 8, 16, 15, 7, 8, 17, 18. 18 is the highest year. So this is going to be the highest date, the maximum date. right? Now coming to the minimum date of joining. In order to find the minimum date of joining, let us see the year, the least figure year. I think it is going to be 2007. 2007 is the least figure, right? So this is going to be 5, 9, and 2007, right? Am I totally clear to everybody? For finding the maximum date, see the highest year, you will get the date. And for the minimum date, you see the least, the smallest year. Now next. Now here it is joins. Joins are used in this. Select teacher name, teacher department, posting place from teacher posting, where teacher department equal to posting department and posting place is Delhi. Now joins includes conditions. Beta, whenever you are to implement the joins, what you are to do? You are to see the field which is common in both the tables. That will help you to place the condition for the joins, right? So we have the condition. First condition is department should match, department in both the tables should match, and means both the conditions should be evaluated to true. Posting place is Delhi. So posting place is Delhi. Department computer science. So let us print these two things first. We have to print department. Department is computer science. Posting place, we have to print the place also. Place is Delhi. Now see the name of the teacher. Computer science, this. See the department, computer science. Jugal. Name is Jugal. Then next, there is one more teacher for the computer science. City is Delhi. And the name of teacher is Shiv Om. Clear? All the three answers totally clear to everybody? Now, push function of the stack. Stack beta is a data structure where insertion and deletion takes place only at one end, that is the top of the stack. From top, you can do the insertion. From top, you can do the deletion, right? The insertion of element is called push and the deletion of element is called pop. Now, as per this function, this is a very simple function, very simple program. You have an array, a list of numbers, and you are to add the element into the stack which are divisible by 5, right? So what you do here, I tell you the logic of the question. Beta, is notepad window visible? You take a list. Right? You take a list and you take an empty stack. Use the for loop. And run the for loop till the length of the list. Make a condition over here. If a of x modulus phi equal to 0, then what you do, you append that element in the stack. Keep on adding the element in the stack. Okay? Append function is used to insert element, individual element. With the help of append function, you cannot insert multiple elements. If you want to insert multiple elements, you can use extend function. But here we are to check each and every element, that whether element is divisible by 5 or not. So accordingly, if element is satisfying your condition, you append the element in the stack. Right? Now let us discuss first this networking question. Open a copy in front of you, everybody, and let us have a discussion on this networking question. My Pace University is setting up its academic blocks at Naya Raipur and is planning to set up a network. The university has 3 academic blocks and human resource center as shown in the diagram. These are the blocks: law block, business block, technology block, HR center. And center to center distances have been given. Law block to business block 40 meter, law block to technology block 80 meter. So accordingly, all the distances have been given to you. And this is the table signifying the number of computers that each block is having. Law block 15, technology block 40, HR center 115, and business block 25. Clear? Now let us start the first question. I open the notepad also. So first question of networking: suggest the most suitable place to install the server of this university with the suitable reason. Beta, I told you earlier also, server will be placed in that building which has maximum number of computers. So maximum number of computers, as you can see, is available in HR center. So your answer will be server will be installed in block HR as it has maximum number of computers. This is the complete answer. Am I totally clear? 12th, am I clear? All right. Next question. Suggest an ideal layout for connecting these blocks or centers for a wired connectivity. Beta, where you have the maximum number of computers, in HR, give connection to all other blocks from HR. Give connection to all the other blocks. Draw a line from HR. First connect with technology, then business, then law. Right? Which device you will suggest to be placed or installed in each of the blocks to efficiently connect all the computers within the block? Switch or hub. You can use switch or hub in order to connect computers in every building. Suggest the placement of repeater in the network with the justification. Beta, repeater, as you know, is the device that amplifies the signal over longer distances. So where distance is more than 70 meter, install repeater there. So let us check the table over here. Repeater कहाँ install होना चाहिए as per the given table. Law block to technology block. Then law block to HR. Then in these two blocks, in these two distances, the repeater should be installed. As distance is more than 70 meter. Right? Am I clear? Am I clear? The university is planning to connect its admission office in Delhi, which is more than 1250 kilometers from the university. Which type of network out of LAN, MAN and WAN will be formed? Naturally, the answer is very much clear to you people. It is WAN. As distance covered is very large. Clear? Am I clear? Write SQL commands for the following queries. First to fifth based on relations teacher and posting given below. Again, we have the table teacher and posting, and let us see the commands. Okay, here we are to make the command. We are to frame the command. So let us start one by one. First command, to show all information about the teacher of history department. To show all information about the teacher of history department. Select star from teacher where department equal to history. Right? Am I clear? Am I clear, students? So semicolon. Next, to list the names of female teachers who are in mathematics department. To list the names of female teachers who are in mathematics department. So let us see we have to see the gender first. Check the gender, female or male in the question, and department. Two conditions. Gender should be female and department should be mathematics, right? And we are to print the names. So command will be select name from teacher where department equal to mathematics and gender equal to F. Am I clear? Am I clear, students? We have set two conditions. One, gender is female. Second, department is mathematics. If both the conditions will be true, then only the names will get printed, right? Now, next question is to list the name of all teachers with their date of joining in ascending order. Beta, order by command will be used. Order by command, you know, sorts the result of the table. The results are sorted in ascending or descending order, and the default ordering is ascending. Default ordering is ascending. If you want to have sorting in descending order, you have to use the keyword DESC. Clear? So select name from teacher where, order by, let us see the name of field for date of joining, date of join. Am I clear? Am I clear with this command? Here you can do one more thing. You can do one more thing. You can write ASC keyword. ASC keyword stands for ascending. No doubt, default ordering is ascending. But still, explicitly, if you want to mention the ordering, you can write ASC. Clear? To display the teacher's name, salary, age for male teachers only. To display teacher's name, salary and age for male teachers only. Select name, comma salary, comma age from teacher. Let us check the field names. Name, age, salary. Okay. Where gender equal to I hope I am totally clear up till here to everyone. Fine. Fifth, to display name bonus for each teacher where bonus is 10% of the salary. Now in the complete table, bonus field is not there. You can check the table. No field is there with the name bonus. Not in teacher table, not in posting table. That means you are to do the calculations. When you will perform the calculations, you will get the values, right? And the column which will be having those values, you are to name that column as bonus. What I mean by the question is name and bonus. Okay. Select name, comma, bonus is 10% of salary. Am I clear what I have done? I explain this command. But select name is clear. We are to find bonus. Bonus is 10% of salary. So salary into 0.10. Salary is 0.10, 10%. Now, we are to name this column as bonus. So we use as keyword and give the name of the column, whichever name you want from table name, semicolon. Totally clear? Yes students, am I clear? All right, now next question is of binary file. A binary file book.dat has a structure: book number, book name, author and price. Write a user defined function create file to input data from the record and add to book.dat. Right? You are to read the record, you are to input the record, and when you input the record, you transfer the record into a file book.dat. Now, I would like to show you the program of the binary file. Let us discuss binary file quickly. See here. The only difference in this question is I have taken the name stu.dat, right? This is to explain you the meaning of binary file. Only I have changed the name of the file. I have changed the name of the fields, right? You can write here book.dat. You can give the book, field whichever has been given. What field has been given? Book number, book name, author and price. So what we have done, I have declared an empty dictionary with the name stu. Then I open my binary file in the writing mode WB. WB means writing in binary file. Default mode is text file. If you want to work in binary file, mode is WB, right? So I created this file handles to file and I have applied the condition whether my variable answer has y in lowercase or value is y in uppercase. Y means yes. Start inputting the records, input roll number, input name, input marks. Accordingly, whatever variable you have over here, accordingly you make the statements. Book number, book name, author, price. Now, when you have inputted the records from the keyboard, transfer the records to the file. Roll number value will be assigned to key roll number. Name value will be assigned to the key name. Marks value will be assigned to the key marks. As you know, dictionary is combination of key value pairs, collection of key value pairs, right? So when you assign the data to a dictionary, now what you are to do? You are to transfer the record in the file. Now, when you want to transfer the records in the file, you have to use dump function. And dump function is the inbuilt method of pickle module. So you have to import pickle module also. Right? So pickle.dump will take two parameters. One parameter binary name of the dictionary and second parameter is the file handle. So records of stu dictionary will be transferred to the file stu.dat, right? And if you want to enter more records, you can do that. And if you want to add more records, you input y. Give the value of answer y. कीबोर्ड से आप y इनपुट करो. आपके द्वारा इनपुट किया गया y, it will be checked over here. If y matches, again one more record will be asked from you. You can input. But if except y, you are entering any other key, the condition will not match over here and you are out of the function. Am I totally clear with the writing records in the binary file? Am I clear to everybody? Now we are to append. Beta, append means adding the records in the end of the file so that previous records are not truncated. Previous records are not truncated. Got it? Clear? So whenever you open the file in append mode, you will be taken at the end of the file and all records will be retained. They will not be overwritten. So same method applied, same method applied. Everything, whatever you have done here, you are to do here. Just the mode has been changed. Just the mode has been changed. Rest everything is same. Clear? Now we are to read the records. Let us make a statement to read the record. Open the dictionary. Open the file in read binary mode. Right? Assign the data to file handle stu file. Try. Try is a keyword. Try is a keyword. Inside try, when you are running the block, some exception will be created. That exception will be handled by the exception block if any error occurs. If there is no exception occurring, it will run smoothly. While true means till the loop is true, till the condition is true. Keep on evaluating the records, keep on checking the records. Now, in order to read the records, we use load function of pickle module. To write the record, dump function. To read the record, load function. Accordingly, read the record, assign to the dictionaries 2 and print the record one at a time. Am I clear?